Hey, crypto friends, this is going to be video number 2 out of 17 of my new Crypto Trading for Beginners series, and I will be teaching you today about the different types of trading and how to choose which type of trading will work best for your personal lifestyle and the time available that you have to trade. But before we dive into this video, for those of you who are looking for a solid exchange to trade crypto futures on and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, then feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange, and you can find a link to it in the description below this video. All right, guys, so one of the very first decisions that every crypto trader or every beginner crypto trader faces is, what type of trader do I want to be? All right. And the thing is, crypto is not a one size fits all type of game. All right. Different strategies fit different types of personalities, different lifestyles, and time commitments as well. Some traders prefer to thrive on fast-paced type of action, while other types of traders prefer a slower, more patient approach. So, in this video, I will be breaking down the most common different trading styles, such as sniping, scalping, intraday trading, swing trading, and long-term position trading as well, and help you figure out which one makes the most sense for you. All right. So, first up, we are going to talk about snipe trading. Snipe trading is one of the fastest forms of trading, where traders basically jump into trades at a very precise moment on for instance, on the 1 minute to 3 minute charts, and they hope to grab quick profits in literally seconds or minutes. Now, this type of trading is typically best for quick decision makers, all right? Traders who can handle extremely high stress environments and people who don't mind being glued to their charts almost constantly, all right? And as far as a lifestyle fit is concerned, unless you are highly experienced and can dedicate full attention to the charts, sniping can be insanely risky, all right? And is honestly more suited for advanced traders rather than complete beginners, all right? Now, this brings me to the next one, which is considered scalp trading, all right? Scalp trading is where traders basically make multiple small trades throughout the day while trying to capture tiny price movements on like the 5 minute to 15-minute charts. Now, this type of trading is typically best for people with lots of time to sit at their computer, people who enjoy fast-paced action, and beginners who are willing to practice discipline and risk management in a faster-paced environment. And as far as a lifestyle fit goes, scalping can be intense at times, and I mean it can be insanely intense at times, all right? But here's the thing, all right? It's a pretty popular trading type, simply because your profits can really add up over time if you are consistently winning your trades. Overall, though, if you love being active and hands-on, scalping just might work for you, all right? So, that brings me to the next type of trading, all right? If you do not think scalping is the right fit for you, next we've got day trading, which is what a lot of people do, all right? This is where traders basically open and close their trades within the same day and aim to, get in on price swings on like the 30-minute chart up to the 4-hour charts, all right? For me personally, I usually am entering trades on, for instance, the 1-hour chart, all right? So I'm technically a day trader, but at the end of the day, they want to be out of their trades before they go to sleep at night. And I'm no different. I'm the same exact way. I need to be in and out of my trades before I go to sleep at night. And I usually am. And day trading is mainly for people who can dedicate a few hours a day to day trading. Those who prefer slightly longer trade setups than scalpers, and beginners who want to practice patience without being glued to their screens all day. All right. Now, as far as a lifestyle fit is concerned, day trading is going to be best suited for people who have flexible schedules or are able to check the charts throughout the day, and it's a lot less stressful than scalping, but it does still require ample amounts of focus. All right. So you got to keep that in mind. Now, the next type of trading that we're going to talk about here is going to be swing trading, all right? Swing trading is basically where traders hold on to their trades for several days or even weeks on end, all right? Their overall goal here is to get in on the midterm high and low swings on the charts, such as, on the 4-hour charts or even the 1-day charts, all right? And this type of trading is best suited for people who can trade full time or who can't trade full time, people who prefer a calmer pace, and beginners who want to learn technical analysis without the constant pressure of constantly looking at the charts, within 5 minute intervals. All right, now, as far as a lifestyle fit is concerned, swing trading is perfect for people with 9 to 5 day jobs or busy schedules, since you do not need to watch the chart all day long and you can instead check in regularly to manage your trade positions. It's honestly a lot easier to manage overall, especially if you are a beginner just getting into crypto trading. So, overall, how can you choose the best trading style for yourself? Here's the thing, all right? Ask yourself these 3 questions, all right? The first question you need to ask yourself is, how much time do I realistically have to trade how much time do I realistically have to trade in a day, in a week, or in a month, all right? The second question is how much stress can I realistically handle, all right? Now, the third question you need to ask yourself is do I want trading to be a side hustle, or do I want it to be a full-time focus? Once you answer these questions, you will have a much, much simpler time deciding on which type of trading will work best for you overall. All right. Overall, guys, there really is no best style of trading. There's really only the style that fits you the best, all right? And remember, your trading style should match your lifestyle, your personality, and your time available, all right? Start with one that feels the most natural and adjust as you gain more and more experience in the crypto trading market. Now, in the next part of this 17 videos beginner series, we are going to get into the different types of crypto trading exchanges, and I will go over which ones are the safest and easiest to use as well. But before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys are serious about learning, then I would like to invite you to join my premium crypto trading education Discord server, where you can ask me questions, you can get one-on-one help from me at any given time, you can see how I trade in real time, and you can get even more in-depth knowledge on trading in general. And you can find a link to that Discord server in the description below this video as well. Now, outside of that though, if you guys enjoyed this video and you feel like you got some pretty decent value out of it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button below this video to help me out. And with that said, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this entire video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see all of you in the next video of this 17 video beginner series.